Alright, grab your solder iron.
No.
You're okay.
Why is it not doing anything? I don't know if it's good or not, but that has burnt me.
No, that's pretty good. Yep, that's pretty good. Maybe just a little bit more. That's pretty good. Can you just do a little bit more on there?
Yeah.
You know, it's been a while since you've done it. Just hold it on the black holder.
Uncle Peter was here.
Yep. That's good. That's good. Now where did the...
Here.
Fell out. Okay. Alright, so...
This one. There.
Okay.
Don't solder the buzzer or the battery in.
Okay.
Okay, you can do the wires, can solder the wires in.
Wait.
But the idea of the post is to attach
Wait,
the
closer.
battery. The idea of the post is to attach the battery with clips.
I thought you weren't going to
Yep, go. Yeah, you're pushing it out.
Too close. It's sticking out a bit.
No, you need to do it a bit better than that.
I think I soldered it. No. It's soldered on.
Yeah, grab the soldering on and you can break it off. Need to do a bit more solder on there.
Okay, give it.
It isn't a nice solder like your other one. At the base, yeah? That's better.
It's a bit over.
That's okay.
Wait, I need to take it out. Wait, stop. Stop.
What? It's fine.
I'm going to dust it so it doesn't touch.
Okay, it's fine. Okay. That's pretty good solder. Okay. Now, he doesn't want the buzzer permanently connected either, obviously. So that means we need to do 2 posts down the other end as well. So I'm just going to adjust these clips.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah, maybe just take the iron out for a sec. Take it out. Hold it safely. Thank you.
Oops.
Okay. All right, you can put it back in.
No, I'm doing it.
No, you can put it back in.
Because it's over to the side of
All right, so where do you think these posts are going to go?
here.
Yeah, you can put it in.
I think. I want the clippers.
Careful. Yeah.
Clippers, please.
No, you don't need the clippers just to put them in. That's for me to hold it for you later. It needs to be in the same line. Yep.
It is in the same.
Yep,
line.
yep, I can see that. Good job.
I'm just trying to
Yep,
help
all
push
right.
the metal because it's
Well,
hot.
Pop it up a bit so it's...
Oh.
Okay, now you're good to go again. Which one are you going to go for so I know where to hold the thing?
Here.
The first one?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on,
That's
hang on.
closest. Is the one I'll always choose.
Okay, go. Want that nice blob, yeah?
Is it nice or...
That's not bad. I'm happy enough with that.
Just need
Okay.
a bit.
We just need to do the other one now.
It's getting a bit too close.
Yep. You adjust yourself as much as you need. Yeah, wait, we'll just adjust it back up a bit. Sorry, pushed it a bit.
No, it's
Yep.
bad. It's bad.
Yeah, it's not good. No, try again when you're ready.
Wait. Is this how you should hold it?
Yes, you're doing fine. You can hold it a bit closer for more control, but it's whatever works for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good. It's fine.
I want to touch it.
Probably not your best one, but it's okay. It should be fine.
Don't touch it.
No, it's not hot.
Gonna put it back soon.
Okay. Good. All right, so
It's warm, but it won't.
now looking at the diagram, the buzzer we're putting on the top with the clips. Okay, that's what Uncle Pete said. All right.
But
And then on the
Wait,
top
can I-
here is clips for the battery. But which wires can stay on permanently? Which are the wires that can stay on permanently for this? Do you know? Don't touch anything at the moment. Just sit down.
These ones?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
These, right? Isn't it the same?
No, because that's solder. That's different.
But isn't there another one?
Hey, Uncle Pete.
These. I need to ask him.
Just take those to him and ask him if it's okay to use the same ones. It should be fine.
These three?
Yeah, but just ask him.
No, not this one.
Ask him if he's happy for us to use those ones or not.
These two?
Yeah.
These three?
Yes. And we just solder it from underneath?
Sorry?
And we just solder them on from underneath?
You go through from the top and solder underneath.
Huh? Huh?
You go through the hole.
And then solder underneath.
Go through the hole in the top
Yep.
and then solder it underneath.
Okay, so solder it onto the soldering joint that's already made.
What?
So solder it onto the soldering.
Really?
So we gotta do the wires on the positive rail, okay?
I don't
So-
understand.
So see, this is the positive where the battery went in. So that's the positive rail. That whole row is positive. See how,
So that rail,
yeah.
positive, this is negative.
So see where this wire comes out? That needs to be on the positive rail.
But where do I put it?
Just through any of those holes on the positive rail.
Yeah.
So, wait. Where's the other one?
Yeah, these three here.
So where's the one with the hook gone?
Oh, I took it away.
Yeah. Okay, great job.
Yeah, like that. No, bigger.
Oh, it was about that big.
No, it wasn't.
It was.
It was a small one. I mean, bigger.
No, it was about that.
Let me see. Okay.
Yeah, it was. That's probably
Yeah.
too big.
No, that's.
Ah. Okay. So wait. That's the probe. That'll go about here. So it'll go.
No, you have to do it from the top, don't you?
Yeah. So we'll poke in through the top, and you'll solder it from underneath.
Okay, should I do that first?
You can do.
Hey, what's behind number one? Nothing.
Stop.
Sitting here working on a car, walking along, and you go, oh, hey, look, that looks like a bullet hole. Huh, wonder where the bolt went to. Like, oh, it went into the strut. And it's still in the strut. Oh,
Okay. Now, Clarissa, can you put it back in the holder? Okay, so now where's the other one going to go? Let's talk about it.
The other one is going to go here.
Yeah, that's a start. Clarissa, can you stop that? Gotta bring my chair a bit closer. Okay, can you take the solder iron out, please?
Okay. And put it where?
Oh, I swear, you're just like doing it on there all the time.
I don't know where to put it.
Okay. What? All right, I'm holding it there for you.
You can't solder.
Why?
Because can you put out more? Because I'm holding the solder iron.
Customer said her husband patched the tire, but it keeps leaking air. Well, that's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
God, you watch some weird YouTube videos, Uncle Pete.
I know he does. He watches pranks from Just for Gags. Well, because they're so good. He got me into them.
Okay. Hang on. Okay.
Ready?
Yep, ready.
How you going?
Okay.
We're done for now. Okey-dokies. Oops.
It's difficult.
Don't talk.
Yeah, I think that's all right. Now, where do you think that goes into next?
Mum, I'm sorry to do this.
Okay, Clarissa, thank you. Where do you think it goes to next?
Well, it doesn't go. It goes through. This goes through here. And then comes back down here.
Okay. Well, we're not going to have it too close to there because Uncle Pete needs to use that breaker thing to do the indent to break the positive line. So we'll do it a couple back.
One
All right.
back, you mean?
One or two back from, yeah. All right, so he's got a space to do the break. Yep, that should be fine. So you can take your iron.
Iron?
Soldering iron. So take your soldering iron and your solder.
I want your hand out the way.
Oh.
I don't want to burn you.
Yep, there you go.
I was doing it too close. Out more.
So I'll take it out the clips now. And you need to improve that one a little bit.
I know.
Yeah.
But I need you to put more solder out for me. Because I'm holding this, aren't I?
Yep, that's fine.
Which one? That?
Yeah.
This one.
I'll try and hold it still for you.
There. Get that.
Yes, that's a lot better.
Out a little bit
Alright, so she's done.
There.
It's a bit of a mixed bag of soldering, but it's not so bad. Hopefully.
I almost burnt myself, but I didn't. I almost burnt myself, but I didn't. And it was like just like a little spark, little burn, but it didn't hurt.
Oh, you didn't leave much room then to cut between them, did you?
It's enough room.
Yeah, just the one, okay.
Huh?
Just the one, okay.
What do you mean?
Well, you got to cut that in between those two. You could have made it that one there. Then you would have had a bit more room.
Well, can I solder it?
Well, no, we'll see if we can see if you've done that. You don't want an accident with the. Shall I unplug the? Well,
Yes,
where's
please.
the vero cutter? Give me
Well, make sure that the soldering's good enough first.
Just please take it out.
Yeah, the soldering's not bad. That's not the best one there, but
Well, she can redo that one. I saw that one. She can fix that one up a bit.
that one's yeah. Well, they're okay.
It was pretty challenging soldering from underneath.
I'll see if I can get the cutter in there, because you may have to. That's got to. I've got to open. Yeah, understand what I'm doing, don't you?
Basically.
No.
We have to open the circuit. We can't have that closed there. So we're using a cutter here to cut in between these two. It needs to be open. I think I've done it. No, out of the way. I'm trying to look. Yep, that's open circuit. Okay. So we have in her kit something let's put.
The kit's here.
No.
Do you want her to fix up that dodgy joint first?
No, well, it should work.
Yeah, okay. Might want to unplug the soldering iron then.
So what
Can you unplug it?
we need to do is
Unplug the solder iron.
Unplug it.
so what we're going to do is we're going to use these clips here.
Do I still leave it?
Why?
We're going to use these clips here. We're going to clip onto here and here. The where's the
not
buzzer?
those clips
Where's
again.
Where's the buzzer gone?
The buzzer.
Careful. Yeah. Oh, it's just put it in there. Okay.
I did it.
No, I might have done that. Okay. So. The top rail, the white one, is a positive. Because I don't have. And the green.
You have black. Why didn't you
I
use
could have used black, yeah, but we'll be using black in a moment.
Because it's going to need 2 of those on this end as well.
black and yellow?
No, the white one.
No.
Yeah, click on that one.
I'm
You
bad
need
at
the
this.
battery pack.
Hopefully not.
Careful.
No!
You,
Take it out!
no, it's all right.
No!
You just don't want these two to short, that's all. She seems to be more concerned about that than than either of us. But yeah.
I hate it.
I'm just like, what's the worst thing that's going to happen with 9 volts?
Well, you can start a fire.
Oh, okay.
That's why I hate it.
Right, I thought it would be buzzing by now.
Yes, it should be buzzing by now. So there's something wrong.
Think you got a problem with when your solders, Clarissa? I will plug the soldering iron back in.
Yeah.
Am I going to solder it?
Now, there's a mistake here, and this is what a multimeter's for. The multimeter can actually find where the mistake is.
Yay! Not.
What do you mean, well, yay, not?
So silly today.
I hate them. Bubble wrap!
Bubble wrap? What's that?
Bubble wrap.
Oh, no, don't, no.
Aww.
No, she's already done that with this
I
thing.
can see that.
You mustn't do that. Well, it's meant to protect it. The whole idea of bubble wrap is it protects it.
But bubble wrap is also for popping.
Oh dear.
I only love to pop them, you know.
So I turn this on.
Yeah, but that's when you don't require it anymore. Anyway, watch Uncle Pete diagnose where your problem is.
Now,
Unless you want to resolder the whole lot.
No way. No way
okay,
to
so what we're going to do is we're just going to fault find, okay? So we're going to find out where the fault is,
Come on.
okay?
Clarissa, bring your chair closer.
I don't want to.
Now we're going to put this on the negative, but we're going to also try and see if we can get that in there as well on there. I'm going to try. Yep. Again.
I can't see.
Oh, stand next to me. Okay, fine. Sit on me then. Jeez.
Yeah, it's up to. Now, okay. Look, I'm going to look for the positive. Okay, so obviously it's not going to be there. Oh, it is. No, there was something there.
595.
So, what's actually happening here? That's strange.
What's up?
Well, we're getting. Hang on.
595 for that.
So we're getting it across. Yeah, hang on. We're getting it across there. Okay, so we're getting it across here.
No.
No. That's the problem because of. I've got to make sure that's short circuiting. Mm-hmm. See if we get it on here.
No.
Hang on.
My solders are good.
No, they're not.
No. No, this. We do it on here.
I think it's a whole lot of them.
No.
Well, we put it on there. I'm putting it straight on there.
That one's good.
Yeah, and put it on here.
That one's
No,
not good.
That's no good. Okay. All right. So I can actually disconnect the battery, and I can also test the continuity. We know that the that there? For some reason, that's just not a good solder joint. Anyway, look, we'll use it. We'll do it on the ohms range. And what we're going to do, we've got the battery disconnected. We're going to go onto the ohms range. My eyesight. Okay, we'll get down to there. And
She's recording but not online.
what we've got now is goes there, that's a short circuit, that's open circuit. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to look from here to here. Okay.
What, Clarissa?
Seems to work. No. That may be a bit dicky. Now it seems that it's a little bit dicky. Now. Okay. What about from here to here? That works. That's okay. What about from, well, obviously from here to here should be okay. Yeah. So, we'll just check again. From here to here. That's okay.
Oh, which one is it then?
So, it's a connection between here and here. So so I suggest it's probably this one here.
So it's that one that we thought originally
Yes,
was no good.
Unfortunately, yes. Okay.
All right, so it's just the one, Clarissa. So, see this one here?
That one.
Doesn't look as nice as all the others. It's not got that nice blob. That's the one you got to redo. The soldering iron's already on, so we just need to do it.
Here you go. Take the battery out first.
No, it's okay, Clarissa. You do
It's
this.
all right. No, it's okay. She's right. You don't want to have an accident.
Oh, hang on.
It's hot.
Well,
It got a bit tangled.
yeah.
Well, it's hot as well.
All right, ready to take from me? Good girl.
No, it's hot. It's hot.
Yes, it's meant to be hot.
No.
It gets hot on here, she reckons. Feel that? It gets hot on there.
Yeah.
All right, come on. It's not hot, Clarissa. You'll be fine.
It's not hot.
It's just a bit warm, but it's not going to get hot.
Which one? That one.
Yep.
I don't like when people are over me.
Okay. Be careful it doesn't fall out.
Shit.
Hold it with the pliers. Hold it up with the pliers.
I took the bob off.
Yes, I forgot about that happening. Oh, yeah.
There.
Well, that's a big pointy blob.
Let me check it out with the ohm meter.
Bound to be better than what it was.
It looks crazy.
It's a big blob.
One, two, three. Okay. What we want to do is check that we have connectivity. between here and here. We do.
Yay! We fixed the one bad solder.
And we have
One bad and not pointy solder.
and we don't have connectivity hopefully between here and here.
Problem?
Well, yeah, because this is touching.
Oh, of course, yes, it's touching. Yes, sorry. Yep. Yep. Okay. Well, anyway, we've got connectivity between here and here. Hang on. No, it's all right. I'm not doing that now. Yep, we've got connectivity there. Okay, and we checked that before. Obviously, we've got connectivity there. Yeah. All right, that's it. Okay. So now we can do the thing again.
No, I can't. Because I need to play.
You might want to unplug the soldering on now.
Please.
Closer, please. Closer.
Wait, I want to see the pointy.
No, closer.
Pointier than the other ones. Wait. One on here.
What are you
So-
doing?
No, top.
You don't need that.
Just push that out of the way. We don't need that. So this is the positive rail. Okay. So
Positive and negative,
we're putting, and this is a negative rail for the buzzer.
of course.
And then we've got the battery pack. No, don't keep moving it away from me, please. And we've got the battery pack. I'm putting the...
You want to clip it on closer?
I want to clip it
All
on.
right, put it on the positive rail. And put this one on the negative rail when I've got to
Have you
put
put
this
the
on.
battery on yet?
Not yet.
I'm glad.
And we'll put this in here.
Way!
Go away.
And it works.
Okay, all right. Look.
Yay!
Now the reason we put those posts on is we didn't want to lose our buzzer and the battery pack. We did that on another
Take the
one.
battery out. Battery out.
Okay, all right. Well, you did it to the end. So now
Yay!
now your mum can have something to eat.
Yay!
No. I'll eat her meal.
And time for bed.
Yes, at 9:30. Yes.
Wait. I want to do something to the camera.
Okay.